Okay, so what you see on my screen is a Google Cloud Console. And here's the list of Cloud Run services which we have built and deployed already so that we can focus on the meaty bits, that is building and deploying our eventing pipeline in under 5 minutes. So these are the services which you saw on the previous slides as well. So this is Fake Event Publisher, that is CN Event Faker, and Fake Reward Tracking Service, which is CN Reward Tracker. So as part of our eventing pipeline, we will create a PubSub topic and an event arc trigger, which will subscribe to the topic we will create. And this fake event publisher will publish event on the this new topic we will create, and event arc trigger will subscribe to this topic and deliver all the events to the CN reward tracking service. Okay, so for simplicity's sake, we are creating a single topic for this demo. However, in practice, we have got topics aligned to the bounded context following domain-driven design principles. To provision this infrastructure for this eventing pipeline, we will run a series of gcloud commands that I have stored in a shell script. However, in practice, we use Terraform modules. So let's have a quick look at our shell script. Okay, so as you can notice, there are a set of environment variables declared on top of this shell script. This is some basic hygiene practice. So these are the variables we will be using in the gcloud commands on this shell script. So the first gcloud command is the gcloud pubsub topic create. It will create the topic cloudnext.demo, which we were talking about earlier. And then the next one is gcloud event arc trigger, which will create an event arc trigger for us. And it will deliver the events to this pubsub topic, which we are just creating. If you notice what I'm highlighting. And we're also configuring it to deliver all the events to the Cloud Run service, which is CN Reward Tracker service, which you saw on the previous page. In addition, we're also creating a BigQuery push subscription, which is somewhat recent release from Google, whereby you can configure a topic to write all the events to a BigQuery table. So this will come quite handy in this demo. We can confirm that if a particular event has arrived or not. In practice, this BigQuery table is a very powerful when you want to build your reporting analytics based on the events that your systems are publishing. Okay, so without further ado, let's run this shell script. Fingers crossed, hopefully it will provision our infrastructure very soon. And once that's done, we will go to Google Cloud Console and confirm if the required infrastructure is created or not. Okay, cool. Looks like it has already created the topic. Now it's creating trigger. Let's go to our Cloud Console and see if that topic is created. Nice. And now let's see if the event arc trigger is created. But we're still waiting. Oh, cool. Okay. So this event arc trigger is created and it is going to subscribe to this cloudnext.demo and is going to deliver the events to our reward tracking service. Awesome. Okay. The shell script is completed as well. So that means the BigQuery subscription is created as well. So now our eventing pipeline is ready to deliver the events end to end. So let's publish some events, shall we? So for that purpose, we have created this mini website to generate the synthetic events. It will interact with the fake event publisher to publish the events. So this is the website. So here you notice there are 4 buttons. First one is accept and invite, open account, create goal, and make 3 card purchases. So let's assume I have already invited my best friend Shri to join the bank. And now invite by clicking on this button. So once you click on this button, in the background, it will generate an event. So let's quickly see what's happening in the Cloud Run. Okay, so let's have a look at invitation accepted. This is the most recent one. Please ignore the previous log as I was actually testing this before. And now let's have a look at if it has landed in the BigQuery subscription as well. Yes, invitation accepted is landed. That's great. Okay, so the next step, let's go back to our website. Oh, you can see that it is text, so this step is completed. So let's go to the next step, opening an account. So while it is doing that, let's see how quickly it arrives in the BigQuery. Awesome. Okay, account opened event has arrived as well. So the account is opened. The second event has arrived as well. So now let's create a goal. Okay, similarly, we will confirm that in the BigQuery. Yes, goal created. And right, nice. So the goal created event has arrived as well. So the last bit, make 3 cart purchases. By clicking this button, we are doing our last step. Right, 3 transaction created event has already arrived. And we also notice there's a reward completed because our reward tracking service realized that all the events have arrived. So it has published the reward completed event as expected. Wow, congratulations. It's all done. So thanks, Ray. And now we will be both receiving a reward. Great.